Every city has a rhythm. Every city has a sound.
In Phan Thiet, the rhythm is fast.
But as the evening approaches, a new sound takes over.
It starts with the heat.
And then the sound of Xeo.
Banh Xeo, literally, the sizzling cake.
Forget the giant pancakes you see in the South.
Here we keep it small, compact, and crunchy. The batter is a blend of rice flour and turmeric.
With rich coconut milk for that creamy coastal flavor. Listen to that. The batter meets the hot oil.
It instantly transforms into a lace-like crust.
We do not peel the shrimp. The shell adds the crunch.
A gift from the ocean.
And savory pork belly from the land. The fat melts, frying the cake from the inside.
A handful of bean sprouts.
Adding moisture and freshness to the heat.
It takes a master to conduct this orchestra of pans.
Flip. Turn. Check.
Within minutes, they turn into golden suns.
Crispy on the outside, soft in the middle. Look at that texture.
But a pancake is naked without its green coat.
Aromatic mint and basil, and SIZZLEs.
And the soul of the dish.
Roasted peanuts, crushed into a paste.
We drown it in creamy peanut goodness.
Put away the chopsticks. Use your hands.
The green leaf embraces the golden cake. Roll it tight like a spring roll.
Dip it deep. Do not be shy.
Coating every inch.
And listen.
That is the sound of pure happiness.
But the crunch does not stop there.
From the savory streets
to the sweet fields.
Phan Thiet has another crispy secret.
Banh Xeo, the sweet potato nest.
Simple roots transformed.
Shredded into fine, endless threads.
Like golden silk. Shaped by hand into a delicate bird's nest.
A bath in hot oil.
The threads tangle and lock together. Turning into a crispy network.
But it needs sweetness. We dip it into liquid sugar.
Giving it a shiny, glass-like coating.
Sprinkle of roasted sesame seeds.
For that nutty aroma.
The perfect gift from the sandy land.
Sweet, sticky.
It snaps like glass.
A burst of sugar and earthed potato.
Savory or sweet?
But the beauty of Phan Thiet is not just in the food.
It is in the land itself. Where the sand moves like waves. And oases appear like mirages.
Where the roads lead to endless horizons.
The ancient eyes that watch the sea. Guiding sailors home for a century.
History that stands tall against time.
Whispering stories of a lost kingdom. Culture that lives and breathes.
The heartbeat of the ocean.
The smiles that welcome you.
A land that glows in the dark.
A city that never sleeps hungry.
We put our heart into every dish. So you can taste the love.
Cheers to the crunch.
Phan Thiet is calling.
Have you ever tasted a sound this loud?
Subscribe to Live Vietnam Journey.
Ring the bell to join the feast.
Like if you love crispy food.
Let us know in the comments, Savory Xeo or Sweet Ray.
Come fly with us.
Come ride with us.
Next episode, we face the giants of the sea.
The ultimate seafood feast awaits.
From the land of sand and sea.
This is Live Vietnam Journey.
Where every flavor tells a story.
And every light guides you to a new discovery.
Ambit, goodbye for now.
See you in the next adventure.